Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a big sweater into a sweater dress. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. Now this project is so easy I almost shouldn't be making a video out of it, but I am. My neck hole was too wide, so I placed some pins where I wanted my neck hole to end and extended the shoulder seams by sewing in a ladder stitch by hand. If your neck hole is just as wide as you would like it, then you can skip this step. After tying a knot in the thread, I made just very small stitches just along the edges of the shoulder seam. Then I made a few stitches in the back before tying off the thread in a knot. Then turn your sweater inside out and fold it in half, carefully lining up the shoulder seams and the side seams. Take a dress that fits you well to use as a pattern and fold it in half the same way. Place your fitted dress on top of your sweater, lining up the center folds and the shoulder seams. You will want the end of this dress to be straight and not flared. Otherwise, the hem will be pointed at the sides. So I adjusted the skirt of my fitted dress and cut around it, adding 1/2 inch for seam allowance. You may also need to trim the sleeves, but mine were already the perfect length. Then pin the side seams and sew. Make sure the hem of the dress is perfectly lined up before you sew, and then sew using a zigzag stitch so that it can stretch with the fabric. And these 2 side seams are the only seams in the whole project. Make sure the hem of the cuffs are lined up perfectly, and then finish your stitch. You could use a serger or a zigzag stitch to finish your raw edges, but since this fabric didn't fray too much, I was naughty and left my raw edges unfinished. After both of your side seams are sewn, this super quick and easy project is finished. So here's a reminder of how it looked before. And here's how it looks now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment if you did, and have a beautiful day.